Good morning. Today we're going to talk about food, nutrition, and health. Okay, how food is interrelated to nutrition and how nutrition is interrelated to our health. Okay, what is meant by nutrition? It is a scientific study on food, starting from how food enters our mouth, goes to digestive system, how it converts, and how it affects our health. This the science which deals with all these things is known as nutrition. When we have adequate nutrition through our food, we stay healthy and we don't have any deficiencies. Deficiencies. What happens? Prolonged deficiencies converts to diseases. Nutrition is all about whether you are getting adequate food and how your health is related with to your food. The science which deals with the food, scientific study of food is known as nutrition.